Jai Gurudev, my name is Rachit Gandhi and today we are going to talk about intuition process. Intuition is one of the way to gain knowledge. For every individual, knowledge comes in three levels. First level of understanding and acquiring knowledge is through sensory organs. Through our sensory organs, we understand the color, taste, smell and everything. Second level of understanding knowledge is intellect, buddhi. If I dip a pen inside a water, the half dip pen will look bent. The sensory organs are saying it is bent, but intellect says it is not. So the point here is, intellect gives much advanced and accurate knowledge than our sensory organs. Third level, which is intuition, is a supreme level of understanding and acquiring knowledge. So without using our sensory organs, without using our intellect also, we can find out things, we can do the discoveries using intuition. And using the same power, all the ancient rishis and saints did all the discoveries. Now simple discovery like earth is round was founded 5000 years before with the power of intuition. That is why the geography is named as Bhugol, astronomy as Khagola Shastra. So it is one of the medium to acquire and understand knowledge. And in this course, intuition process, just in 6 hours, we enable the child with the same power of intuition. We conduct some very deep and short meditations, some ancient technique and some relaxation. And with this, just in 6 hours, children are able to use their intuition power to recognize things. We blindfold them, and with blindfold they can see things, they can recognize things with the power of intuition. The way ancient rishis and saints use the intuition power to do a lot of discoveries, we are also making a lot of genius students with this course. Whoever has done the course, they said it, their concentration level has increased tremendously. They are able to read for a longer period of time, and whatever they are reading, they are understanding it. And when they are recollecting, it is coming as a photographic memory. Students also said that, even though they did not have an interest in a particular subject, they developed a sudden interest in that subject. So this course is not just about blindfold. It also helps tremendously in academics. And moreover, students have reported, parents have reported the miraculous experiences. Students are saying what is going to come in the exams, they are able to understand it. Some keys were lost and kids just closed their eyes and found out where is it. Some relatives gone missing and kids were able to tell their parents where is that relative. So this is a wonderful and miraculous course, which is like a gift from Param Pujya Shri Ravi Shankar Ji to all the children. So I welcome all of you to come and join this beautiful course. Very fun-filled and easy. Just 6 hours course. Intuition process. Thank you very much. Jai Guru.